posture. Let's feel happy and relaxed. Take a deep breath. Let's get started.
Filling hearts with Christmas cheer. Candles glow, the fire is bright.
Let's begin.
Joyful songs on this
Cat-cow strike pose. Arch the back. Exhale and pull your belly button up toward your spine. Arching your back upward toward the ceiling like a stretching cat. Improves flexibility. Keeps your spine flexible and healthy.
on Christmas night.
Child pose. Fold forward. Lower your torso forward between your thighs. Eases tension. Releases tightness in the shoulders, neck, and lower back.
Work of art. Let's hold hands and sing a tune underneath the Christmas moon. Love and
Butterfly pose.
will make
Cross legs. Cross your shins. Bring each foot under the opposite knee and rest your hands on your knees or lap. Reduces stress and anxiety, calms the mind, and promotes mental clarity. Cobra pose. Place hands. Position your palms on the floor right under your shoulders.
every
Strengthens the
star
spine, tones the back muscles, and improves posture.
Children laugh and dreams take flight. Magic lives on Christmas night.
Forward fold pose. Stand tall. Stand straight with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. Stretches hamstrings and calves. Deeply stretches the back of the legs and hips.
Underneath the Christmas moon, life and peace will make it grow like the season.
Downward dog pose. Align body. Press your heels down toward the floor. Straighten your arms and legs and keep your head relaxed between your arms. Full body stretch. Deeply stretches the shoulders, hamstrings, calves, and spine.
Like the season's perfect snow.
Triangle pose. Extend top arm. Reach your left arm straight up toward the ceiling, keeping your chest open and gaze up at your top hand. Stretches full body. Deeply stretches the hips, hamstrings, calves, chest, and shoulders.
Hear the bells, they chime so clear.
Warrior 2 pose. Bend front knee. Bend your front knee until it is directly over your ankle, keeping your back leg straight. Strengthens legs and core. Builds muscle strength in the thighs, calves, ankles, and core.
Turns white. Every star is shining bright. Children laugh.
Pigeon pose.
Dreams take
Front leg. Bring your right knee forward near your right hand, placing your right shin flat on the floor. Deep hip opener. Stretches tight hip flexors, glutes, and thighs.
Gifts we give from heart to heart. Every smile.
Wheel pose. Lie down. Lie flat on your back, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Spinal flexibility. Keeps the spine young, flexible, and healthy.
Like the season's perfect snow. Christmas magic here to
Bridge pose.
stay.
Hold. Keep your thighs parallel and hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Then slowly lower down. Strengthens the body. Builds strong muscles in the back, glutes, buttocks, and legs.
Snowflakes fall, the world turns white. Every star is shining bright.
Bow pose. Set up. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms by your sides. Strengthens the back. Deeply strengthens the spinal muscles, back, and shoulders.
Gifts we give from heart to heart. Every smile's a work of art. Let's hold
Full split pose. Set up. Sit upright on the floor with your legs spread wide apart in a V shape. Stretches inner thighs. Deeply stretches the hamstrings, groins, and inner thighs.
the the season's perfect snow. Christmas magic here to stay, bringing light.
Camel pose. Arch back. Inhale, lift your chest, and slowly bend backward from your upper spine. Improves posture, helps correct slouching and rounded shoulders from prolonged sitting.